Oh, this is Chuck. Chuck's Off the Grid World. I'm taking a bike ride today. I just want to show you what's going on in Colorado Springs. Last few days we had some heavy winds, gusts of over 100 miles an hour. And look at this tree. It's down. Look how big diameter that tree is. It pulled up the sidewalk. Check that out. Pulled up all the sidewalk. Walk around, see underneath there. You could live underneath there. Such a hole. Let's see if I can walk around here. Look where it actually landed on top of the house. Check it out. Isn't that something? One with my ride. Oh, this is Chuck's Off the Grid World. We got back from Texas about 2 weeks ago, and there was a heavy, serious windstorm the very next day that we got home. And this is a result of some of the damage it created. This is 2 solar panels I had mounted on the roof, and this one solar panel, if you see it, give it a close up, it's got some cracks in it. See, the glass has been cracked. It's got some little surface cracking. Compared to this other one that's not cracked, see how much smoother that is. Well, the deal is, both of these solar panels, which were mounted on the roof, actually had 4 3-inch deck screws mounted to the wood, and it tore the decks, bent the deck screws and tore them right out of the wood, and they flew off the roof and about 15 feet hit the ground. This one on the left hit face down, of course. Both of them hit face down. It landed right on the concrete. This one over here to the right landed on the ground too, but it landed on the grass, and so it didn't look damaged at all. This one looks like it's damaged. I'm sure it is damaged. I'm going to try to test it and see how much compromised this one on the left is. I'm not really sure. Research I've done on YouTube and such says that they don't get damaged that much. They don't lose their efficiency that much, but I'm going to test that theory. Second tech on that one, both panels open is 13.9 volts and 6.6 amps. Hello, this is Chuck again. It's a couple days later, and I'm still testing this solar panel. It's starting to snow a little bit. This solar panel here is the one that got damaged with the other one. It's twin sister, and from all the test results I come up with, it's only producing 1/3 of its original power, which I don't know whether that's worth even the cost of the wire to hook it up. So I'm still debating what I want to do with it. But apparently each one of these little cracks here, there must have been breaking some of the electronic components in it, because this is very complex. It's complex right here. It must have hit on its side or something. I can see some damage right here at the top. It must have hit right there, and it made it, it warped it. Thank you. Look at me. I'm back in Kansas again with all the wind turbines. Isn't that cool? It's actually a friend of Mary and I's. It was a Christmas present for me, because she knows I'm kind of like these wind turbines. It's just it's actually a photograph on canvas. Check it out. Going up and to the top there. Isn't that cool? There's another one over here. Look at all the ones in the background there. That's the way it really looks when you're out there traveling on the road. But I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please hit subscribe and like, and we'll give you thanks. Uh, you might want to watch this little short little video after this one. It's got something kind of funny on it. It's just a little extra. Thank you. Since Mary broke her leg in Texas, we had some close friends, Ray and Joe in Texas, praying for her. She received this card in the mail. See what you think of it. Be healed. Isn't that cool? Isn't that the cool card? Really appreciate that.